My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Hyundai Kona. This vehicle has done just over 30,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. On our screen, we can access map, navigation, our button settings, radio, media, and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. We also have our heated steering wheel, and if we press our drive mode button, we can switch between normal, sport, eco, and if we hold down, eco plus. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of our sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.